I look rough. Oh, I'm always puffy at altitude in the morning. Anyhow, it's 6:12. I just put on my damp clothing and it's way too cold for me to get out of my tent. Everything's wet. My sleeping bag bottom half is all wet from condensation. My tent is soaking wet. And yeah, I cannot do the miles I want to do through the High Sierra because of the rain and thunderstorms. I have to time my day so I'm not at an exposed area basically after 12. So this really limits the amount of hiking I can do, which sucks. It's 7-11 and I'm rocking out of my camp spot, which was near the South Fork Kings River. And there's so many spots here and no people, which I thought was strange because there isn't like a place for a bunch of tents for another like 9 miles up. So I don't know where all the people are at.
There's a big creek crossing in the morning. I could go down there and take a big leap, but if I slip, then that's danger zone. So, and these rocks have water flowing over them, so getting my feet wet. Yay! Okay, how gorgeous is it when the sun is out? Incredible, spectacular, yes. Good morning to my little furry friend. How are you doing? This is the view behind me on the trail. I am 2 miles and 1,000 feet from the top of Pinochet Pass. I think I might be walking up there. I never know till I get there. This is the view from the way I came up Pinochet Pass.
Decent 2,000 feet climb this morning. Now breakfast. I am drying out my sleeping bag and eating my Mega Cliff Bar.
And this is a view from the other side of Pinochet Pass.
Right when I take a snack break, rain.
The moment I'm done eating and drinking, it gets all nice and sunny and sparkly. Mules.
Donkeys, actually.
Donkeys.
They're big donkeys, though.
Big donkeys.
Bigger than normal.
Super sized donkeys. Hi Sierra, traffic jam, donkey style. It's 1 o'clock or so and I hear the thunder starting. Taking a sip break and enjoying this waterfall. Easy crossing here thanks to all these logs. Look at this marvelous suspension bridge. Only one person at a time can cross. This bridge is memories of Nepal.
The bridge is very wibbly wobbly, but I'm on a bridge. I'm on the bridge doing a bridge dance at the end of the bridge, because if I was in the middle I would have fallen off. It's 3:30, just having a water break and eat some M&Ms. It's getting kind of cold. As you can see, it's like cloudy and misty. And I'd like to make it to Rae Lakes, which is 4.1 miles from here. But if it starts coming down hard, I'm gonna stop earlier. And it's also a big climb up. And I hate doing climbs at the end of the day. Beginning of the day, yeah, get them out of the way. End of the day, like, pooped.
So weird to have this wire fence in the middle of nowhere, just before Baxter Creek. I love it when I see these no fire signs, because that means I'm up to 10,000 feet. Very misty. Busy camping spot near Lake $1 bills, y'all. I'd buy this for $1. $1 Lake.
Gorgeous!
And this is Arrowhead Lake. Lower Rae Lake.
What a gorgeous scenic way to end the day walking beside the Rae Lakes. Like, amazing!
6 o'clock and looking for a camping spot. I have my water baby and I'm ready to set up shop. I have my tent set up under a tree, a nice
I have
spot.
all my stuff spread out on this rock. And I'm going to eat dinner outside my tent. And there's no mosquitoes. Yes!
For dinner tonight, I have mashed potatoes. I put in those dehydrated veggies, packet of olive oil, and one of these Crave turkey bars. Camping area right beside the lake, and they do have some food storage lockers, but I'm just using my bear canister out by my tent. Good night, Rae Lakes.